National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 384, effective until 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Kendall, Livingston, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, LaPorte, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Serena, or near Marseilles, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Braidwood, Coal City, Dwight, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Diamond, Gardner, Mazon, Newark, and Braceville. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 122. This includes Gedhardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's